What's up, everybody? It's your boy Killer B. I'm back for another small installment. Today, man, I'm gonna be installing some underglow lights. You know, the lights up on the bottom, the red, yellow, blue, green. Make it like a heartbeat, whatever you want to do with it. But yeah, these are the lights that I purchased right here off of Amazon. So yeah, these are gonna be the one that I'm gonna install today. And it comes with all this right here. This is the power supply here. This white wire gonna go to your tail lights. Then you got the positive and negative that's gonna go to the battery. You got 6 extensions right here. You got ties, and you got all these lights here. You got 8 lights here. Then you got the remote. You got extra batteries, and you got an extra fuse. So yeah, we're gonna get to this installment. And then I'm gonna get up with y'all and let y'all see what it look like when it's finished. I got a couple places where I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna install the first one probably back here. And I'm gonna install one here, right up in that spot there. Then on each side right here, I'm gonna install on the heat deflector. On each side, right up under here. Then I'm gonna install one here on each side of the tank. And then I'm gonna probably install my last one right here under this, right here, the deflector right up under here. So yep, those are gonna be the lights that I installed today on my Road Glide. You see it's already broke down, ready to go. I didn't want to be going through all the process and taking the bags off and all that. You know how to do all that. So yeah, let's get to this installment so I can get done and show y'all what it look like. Alright, I'm gonna get to it. Let's get to this installment. The first one I'm gonna stick right back here. Then after I finish, I'm gonna run the wires that connects to these. So yeah, matter of fact, let me run the first wire. They should look good on here. I hope they do. You know, sometimes going the cheaper route don't always work, but I think they'll be okay. What's up, everybody? Your boy's back. He's back. I just finished up my lights on my bike, and hey, it looks good, man. You know, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. I know it's still light outside right now, but yeah, I'm gonna close my garage, turn the lights off, and cause I still got him on the jack. So I'm gonna turn the lights off and let you see what's going on with him. Here we go. Y'all tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about it and everything. So here we go. We're gonna go pitch dark here in a minute. I'm gonna hit the light. Yeah, look at Calm, baby. Calm looking good. But yeah, man, that's it, baby. I did it myself. Cause I went to Harley yesterday and I was gonna buy their lights, and it was gonna cost an arm and a leg, y'all. So I decided to do it myself and get it done. And I did it, so I'm proud of myself because I done quite a bit of work on this bike myself. So man, you can do it yourself too. Hey, so y'all stay up, keep the tools down, baby. Blessings, peace.